Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Nazaria Isnanda. I'm a second semester student at University of Mataram, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, majoring in English Education. Here, I will present a journal entitled Bali Tourism Development Through Culture and Local Wisdom of Customary Villages, which is an assignment from the Intermediate Oral Communication course with the Honorable Advisor, Mrs. Eka Petriani. Okay, on the first slide, I will tell you about the introduction part of this journal. So, what exactly is tourism development? Tourism development is the process of establishing and maintaining a tourism industry in a particular location. At its most fundamental level, tourism development can be defined as the process of developing strategies and plans to increase or develop or encourage tourism in a particular destination. Indonesia has been actively promoting its cultural heritage, particularly through tourism development, to compete globally. These efforts include the formulation of policies and regulations to support tourism programs, the improvement of tourism infrastructure, and the conservation of natural and cultural resources. Law No. 10 of 2009 on tourism explains the role of local government in increasing tourism potential, namely facilitating, encouraging investment, developing tourism, managing tourism, and allocating budget to increase tourism potential. The existence of Law No. 10 of 2009 on tourism shows that the role of local governments in the management of increasing tourism potential is very important. The government is currently aggressively promoting tourism at the global level, but still ensures that the development does not damage the natural environment and local culture, and still maintains environmental and cultural sustainability in tourism development. Okay, next slide. Bali is primary tourist destination. For most famous tourist areas, the island of Bali is one of tourist destination that is well known among tourists, both domestic and foreign countries. Among tourists, this tourist area is known for various slogans of Bali's tourism exotic. It has a unique, exotic, and amazing panorama. So, it's not surprising that the island of Bali is awarded as the best tourist spot in the world. Even the leaders and world leaders such as King of Saudi Arabia with the royal family, Barack Obama, the former presidents of US, and Malaysian Prime Minister who include his family members to have vacation in Bali. Bali's tourism industry has experienced rapid growth and is considered important for national development. Various policies and regulations have been implemented to support the development of tourism in Indonesia, especially in Bali. Bali's cultural heritage, including Balinese culture and customs, plays an important role in attracting tourists. Efforts to preserve Bali's natural resources and cultural identity are essential for sustainable tourism development. The recognition of Bali's Desa Adat in their traditional right contributes to preservation and promotion of Bali's cultural heritage. Bali's cultural attraction and beautiful scenery continue to attract visitors from all over the world to make it a major tourist destination. Okay, next slide. The government initiative for tourism destination. As I explained earlier, the government is responsible for facilitating, encouraging investment, developing tourism, managing tourism, and allocating budget to increase tourism potential. The major potential of tourism and the interest of tourists to visit Indonesia, including Bali, had encouraged the government and local governments to improve the facilities and infrastructure of tourism management. Various policy and regulation packages have been formulated and enforced to be applied as reference in conducting of tourism. So, that the wealth of natural resources and the various cultures which Indonesia has need to be protected and requires conservation efforts in order to become a tourist attraction that can attract the number of tourists to visit, both domestic and foreign countries. And last but not least, the involvement of local communities and community empowerment is an important strategy in increasing regional competitiveness in the tourism sector. Next, Balinese culture as a tourism asset. Bali's rich cultural heritage, including its unique and exotic panorama, which has earned it recognition as one of the best tourist spots globally. Balinese culture plays a significant role in enhancing the tourism experience. The strong spiritual concept embedded in Balinese culture make it unique and famous worldwide. Balinese culture is the most dominant attraction in Bali tourism. The local community actively introduces, utilizes, preserves, and improves tourist objects and attraction while maintaining cultural norms and values. One of the main buffers of Balinese culture, that is customary village, formerly called custom village, which is customary law society. Next, role of customary villages in Balinese culture. Desa adat or customary village is a form of traditional settlement in Bali, governed by customary law and run by local communities, in accordance with cultural values and customs that have been passed down through generations. Desa adat plays a significant role in preserving Balinese culture through consistent adherence to traditional practices by the local community. Establishment of customary law in recognition of these adats rights help to maintain the sustainability of Bali's distinctive and unique culture, ensuring it remains unaffected by external influence. Customary village has two functions, namely the function of culture and economy. The function of culture means the function of maintenance and cultural development, while economic function is the function of maintenance and development of culture. In this connection is closely related to the management of property owned by customary village that includes the management of tourism which available in the environment. And one example of customary village in Bali is the village of Tenganan or Desa Tenganan. Okay, the research method of this journal uses a normative research method, which is a type of method that uses various secondary data such as laws and regulations, court decision, legal theories, and can be in the form of scholars' opinions in its research. The results of this journal tell us that customary villages and Balinese culture are very important for tourism development, with appropriate government policies that will continue to maintain and preserve their culture while promoting Balinese tourism. Next, potential of customary villages for tourism development. The aspects that make customary villages unique and make Bali tourism assets, namely traditional community structures based on the philosophy of Trihata Karana, harmony between man, nature, and God. Lively Hindu religious ceremonies integrated in daily life. Preservation of Balinese culture within the village. Peaceful and safe village atmosphere. In conclusion, the cultural and local wisdom embodied by customary villages are integral to Bali's tourism development. These villages serve as guardians of Balinese culture, offering tourists unique insights into traditional life and values. By embracing and promoting cultural authenticity, Bali can continue to thrive as a premier tourist destination while safeguarding its cultural heritage for future generations. The journal acknowledges the influence of globalization and the potential threat it poses to local cultures. However, it highlights the importance of local wisdom and cultural elements in providing a counterpoint to the dominance of global culture and strengthening local identity and community values. This journal is also emphasized the need for tourism development to consider preserving the authenticity of cultural objects and tradition within customary villages, and promoting cultural factor as tourist attraction while ensuring the well-being of the local communities. Well, that was my presentation on the Journal of Bali Tourism Development through Culture and Local Wisdom of Customary Villages. Thank you for all your attention and apologies if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.